Have you ever wondered why you feel bloated, tired, or struggle with brain fog, skin issues, or even mood swings? What if I told you the culprit might not be what you're eating, but what's missing from your gut? Your microbiome, the trillions of bacteria, fungi, and microbes living in your gut, control everything from digestion to immunity, metabolism, and even your mental health. And here's the shocking part. Most of us are walking around with a severely damaged microbiome. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know why your gut bacteria may be the reason for your poor health, how to restore lost beneficial microbes, including a powerful probiotic studied by Dr. William Davis, simple habits to nourish and rebuild your gut for better digestion, immunity, and overall health. So, if you want more energy, better digestion, and a stronger immune system, keep watching. Let's dive right in. Let's start out with how some of our microbiome was destroyed. Our ancestors had strong, diverse gut bacteria because they ate whole foods, lived in nature, and consumed fermented foods daily. Unfortunately, millions of people worldwide no longer follow our ancestors' eating habits. Globally, we are facing a gut health crisis. Here's how 95% of the people on planet Earth have destroyed their microbiome. First up, antibiotic overuse. Did you know that just one round of antibiotics can wipe out up to 90% of your gut bacteria? And unfortunately, most people never rebuild that lost diversity. Another factor damaging our gut microbiome are highly processed diets. Sugar, refined grains, and processed foods feed harmful bacteria while starving the good ones. Another disconnect from our healthy microbiome is a lack of fiber. Fiber is the food for your gut bacteria, yet the average person gets less than half the recommended daily amount. Another major problem with our gut microbiome is chlorinated water and chemicals. Even the water we drink can kill off good bacteria. Another factor that's killing off our good microbiome is a high-stress lifestyle. Chronic stress alters the balance of gut bacteria, leading to more bad microbes and less of the beneficial ones that we need. The results? A damaged gut microbiome is linked to obesity, autoimmune diseases, digestive issues, poor immunity, and even mental health struggles. But here is the great news. You can restore your gut microbiome. Let's cover the most powerful way to improve your gut microbiome. You can do so by reintroducing a lost microbe in your gut called lactobacillus reuteri. Dr. William Davis, a cardiologist and an author of the book Supergut, accidentally stumbled across the loss of L. reuteri and how we can replace it. Rather than just taking the supplement, which would have a marginal effect, Dr. Davis recommends that we make a yogurt-like substance out of organic half and half and the L. reuteri supplement. And what are the results of restoring this missing microbe? It is absolutely mind-blowing. I have been doing this for the last 2 months, and I can tell you that my allergies and asthma are nearly gone, and my strength is improved significantly. Here are some of the benefits that you can expect by adding lactobacillus reuteri back into your diet. And please know in advance that everyone will have a slightly different experience. First up, and very noticeable, is the boost in oxytocin. Often called the love hormone, oxytocin enhances bonding, social connections, and even improves skin elasticity. Increased muscle strength and reduced aging effects are two other great benefits of consuming the reuteri yogurt. This probiotic fights harmful bacteria, strengthens the gut lining, and helps prevent leaky gut syndrome. Another couple of great benefits are enhanced mental well-being and reduced anxiety, because the gut and brain are connected. Restoring reuteri can help reduce depression and anxiety. Dr. Davis recommends making homemade reuteri yogurt, which delivers a concentrated dose of this missing microbe. Here is how you can make it. You must use a high-quality lactobacillus reuteri probiotic powder, and I will be linking Dr. Davis's website to purchase this reuteri, as well as another link showing step-by-step on how to make the yogurt in the video description below. To share the short version of the story, though, we ferment lactobacillus reuteri with organic half and half or coconut milk for 36 hours. Once you have made the yogurt, you enjoy a small amount daily to replenish your gut with this lost super microbe. Eating 1/2 cup a day could change your health forever. Now let's talk about some other benefits that you can enjoy from restoring your gut bacteria. When you repair and then nourish your microbiome, here's what you can expect to happen. Better digestion and less bloating. No more gas, constipation, or diarrhea. A healthy and strong gut breaks down food properly. We can all also expect a boosted immune system. Did you know that 70% of your immune cells live in your gut? A balanced microbiome fights infections and reduces autoimmune issues. We can also expect clearer skin. Conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis improve when your gut inflammation is reduced. You can also expect more energy and focus. A thriving gut microbiome means better nutrient absorption and a sharper brain. You can also expect easier weight management. Healthy gut bacteria regulate your metabolism and reduce cravings for junk food. This really sounds amazing, right? So once you've started reuteri, how do we feed our healthy microbiome? Step number 1 is to eat more fiber. Fiber feeds your good gut bacteria. Focus on leafy greens, berries, avocados, and flax seeds. Also, be sure to consume prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, leeks, bananas, and asparagus, which all help good bacteria to thrive. Please be sure to eat plenty of fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and the homemade reuteri yogurt. They all replenish beneficial microbes. Please also filter your drinking water. Chlorine kills our gut bacteria. There are lots of water filters out there. Depending on your budget, I would go for the best you can buy. I recommend a reverse osmosis system or countertop filter. Another step in taking care of your newly improved gut microbiome is to avoid processed and sugary foods. These feed bad bacteria and cause inflammation. Another key element in this process, manage your stress and get plenty of sleep. Chronic stress weakens gut bacteria and damages your digestion processes. After just a few weeks of eating the reuteri yogurt and following these recommendations, you can completely transform your gut and overall health. So, can your microbiome be the reason for your poor health? For many people out there, the answer is absolutely yes. Reintroducing lost microbes like L. reuteri, eating gut-nourishing foods, cutting out a few harmful eating habits can lead to a significant improvement in your health. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Have you tried fermented foods or probiotics? Did you make Dr. Davis's yogurt, and how did it go? Until next time, take care of your gut so it can take care of you. Thank you so much for watching this video today. We really do appreciate your kind support. Please share this video with someone you know that needs to know more about how to improve the health of their gut. Also, please leave a comment below and let us know what types of videos you'd like to see in the future. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.